In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup as a CRM, potentially replacing your need for Dubsado. Whether you're a freelancer or a small business owner looking for a more streamlined management tool, Clickup can be a fantastic option. So let's dive right in and learn how to set up Clickup as your CRM. First things first, you'll want to navigate over to the Clickup website. It's an incredibly versatile app that's widely used for managing projects, tasks, and even your customer relationships effectively. Once you're on the site, look for the Log In button, which is usually prominently displayed. You'll need an existing account to proceed, so if you haven't signed up yet, make sure to do that first. Once you're logged in, look for the Sign In with Google option. This is a quick and easy way to access your account, especially if you're used to managing your work through Google services. Select the Google account associated with your ClickUp to seamlessly log in. Now that you're logged in, we're ready to create a new space. Look for the plus icon. This is your gateway to setting up new organizational spaces in ClickUp. Once you click that, you'll see an option to use templates. Click on that, because who wants to start from scratch when you can build on a ready-made foundation? In the template area, type CRM into the search bar. You'll be presented with a variety of CRM templates. Select the one that best matches your needs. Many users find the Sales CRM template particularly useful as a starting point. After you've chosen your template, click on Use Template to get started. You'll be prompted to rename your new space. Give it a name that clearly defines what it's for. Something like Client Management or Sales Tracker can be effective and help keep you organized. Once that's done, you'll need to click Use Template once more to finalize applying it. Now that your template is set up, you're free to customize it to better fit your specific needs. This might involve editing sections, adding or removing columns, or rearranging elements to ensure the workflow suits your style. Tailoring your CRM space in ClickUp allows you to make it uniquely yours and ensures that it provides the most value. And there you have it. You're now on your way to using ClickUp as a CRM with a setup that can replace other tools like Dubsado. Feel free to tweak and adjust your new CRM space as your business grows and your requirements evolve. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it opens up new possibilities in managing your client relationships more effectively. Thanks for watching, and catch you next time.